Welcome to my custom calculator. I call it a custom calculator because this calculator can calculate any amount of growth you throw at it. Normally in the financial services industry, the calculators that we gets limited to the growth that we can show to our clients. Now there is a warning in that. I, or any financial advisor for that matter, cannot give you a product that can give you the growth that I'm going to show you in this calculator. You have to create this investment yourself. Now let's just take it for an example how this calculator works. You'll see at the top it says no currency, and I did that on purpose because you can do this calculation in any currency. So it works in dollars, it works in euro, it works in your currency, whatever country you are in. So your initial investment is 1,000, your growth rate is 10%, your investment term is 10 years, your monthly contribution is 1,000, and your annual increase is 10%. That means you can increase your monthly contribution with 10%. Now let's say you've only got 10 years left to retirement. If you work in South African Rand, you're going to pay in 121,000 and you'll get 307,178.94. Now if you invest 307,000 Rand and you need to earn an income from that, it's going to be a couple of hundred Rand. You cannot retire on that. Now, what if a coach, a mentor, a teacher, a guide, somebody that I've been learning from in the last 20 years, can show you that the investment that he creates himself can give a growth rate of, let's say, 80%. If you press calculate, you'll see that it's 40 million. Now, can you see that it's worth your while to find out how to get a growth rate that's bigger than 10%. Now let's say you press the button at the bottom, you go to the guide and teacher that I recommend, but you see, this is expensive. I'm not willing to pay for that. You're going to wait for 1 year and then you're going to buy it. Let's say you put in 9 years. And you press calculate, the answer is 18 million. So the cost of waiting 1 year to make a decision is going to cost you 22 million. If you can learn how to get 80% growth on your investment. Now, the first question you're going to ask me is how. Now, just one of the examples that I can tell you is for a property, for example. If you get a property for R1 million and your repayment of the property is roughly about 13,000 Rand if you take all the costs, and you get a return of 15,000 a month. That means there is a surplus. If you go to a property calculator and you do that calculation, you're going to see that that growth is infinite. That means the growth on the investment that you've made into that property is more than what any calculator can calculate. Now, if the teacher can show you that infinite calculations are possible, then 80% is nothing compared to infinite. And property is just one example. I don't want you to go out and buy a property. I'm just showing you an example. Let's say you're a business owner and you invent a product. Let's say you need to sell 20 of those products to cover your costs, and you sell a couple of thousand of that product. Can you see that that growth on that product that that business owner designed is infinite? So there's two examples of things that you can do. There's even a third option. What if you create a website? A website with social media marketing. You know, Facebook is for free, YouTube is for free, creating a website and a basis. Let's say you pay for 6 months, takes you 6 months to learn, another 6 months to recoup your costs, and within a year your investment is for free. Can you see that 80% growth is no longer such a big number? If you scroll to the bottom of this page, you'll see there is a link to my coach, the mentor and teacher that I use. You can find your own teacher, you don't have to use mine, but this is the teacher that I've been using. I hope you like my calculator. Play around with it. It's yours, it's for free, play with it. If you do like it, please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and go to my calculator page on the website and look at all the calculators that I've created. I'll see you in one of my other videos. Cheers, bye.